How to turn on or off call barring on Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off or turn on your call barring on Android. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your phone application and at this page, tap on three dot icon on your top right. Here tap on settings. Scroll below and under supplementary services, you will see call barring option. Now if you have two SIM card in your device, you will see SIM 1 and SIM 2. Go ahead and turn on the call barring for any SIM cards that you would like. Then in order to turn it on, simply toggle on these buttons. In order to turn it off, untoggle these buttons. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.